FaceFusion 3.5.0 just dropped. Faster, sharper, and smarter. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install FaceFusion 3.5.0 on Windows, run it locally with GPU acceleration, and get stunning face swaps, even on 8GB VRAM GPUs. First, we will go to FaceFusion GitHub, then click on Installation. We will proceed with the first step, prepare your platform. First is to install Git. We just need to copy and paste on CMD. Then we will install Conda. We will install FFmpeg. Now we move on to the Prepare Your Environment step. In this step, if CMD does not recognize Conda, go to the search bar, type Anaconda, and click on Anaconda prompt. Then type Conda activate and close and reopen CMD. Then we continue to install. We will create a virtual environment for FaceFusion. We will move on to the Install Your Accelerator step. I am currently using NVIDIA graphics card, so I will install CUDA. If you have a more powerful NVIDIA graphics card, install TensorRT. If you don't have a graphics card, install OpenVINO to use with an Intel graphics card. Now we go to the Download Your Copy step. We will clone the FaceFusion repository. Now we move on to the Install the Application step. In this step, choose the right frameworks to install. I will use CUDA. Now we move on to the Reload Your Environment step. Now we will move on to the final step, which is running FaceFusion. FaceFusion ran successfully. I will upload the input image. We can see the preview image. The face is still a bit blurry. We will use the Pixel Boost function to make the face sharper. The face is sharper, but if you want a more beautiful face, you can use the Face Enhancer function. On first use, FaceFusion will download the necessary models. Face is much more beautiful. We can change the output location. I will create an output folder in FaceFusion to output the image. Now we will click Start to run Face Swap. The output gives a very nice image. We will compare it with the original face. Now we will try Face Swap on video. That's FaceFusion 3.5.0.0, fully local, GPU-powered, and incredibly fast. If you found this helpful, subscribe to MuseFlow AI for more AI setup guides.